In this video, I will tell you how you can see the balance of your Sam's Cash. To see your balance, what you have to do is simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club, then click on the URL. From here, click on this 3 lines menu bar in the top left corner. After that, sign in to your account. Once you've signed in, click on the 3 lines menu bar again. Then click on account information. There at the membership dashboard, you can find your total balance and activity. Or simply click on Sam's Cash right below Sam's Club credit. From there also you can view your Sam's Cash. Or another way to view your Sam's Cash is simply during checkout. Choose your items, then click on checkout. After that, there you will find this payment options, and right there you can see your total Sam's Cash balance. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.